Hello automotive enthusiast. Kia EV3 Urban Range Test. Can this compact crossover replace the traditional hatchback? The city is shrinking around us, and somehow, cars keep getting bigger. But then Kia drops this. The all-new 2026 Kia EV3. A compact electric crossover designed to answer one massive question: can this finally replace the traditional hatchback forever? And honestly, walking up to it for the first time, the EV3 doesn't feel cheap, small, or compromised. It feels intentional. Sharp LED lighting. Squared-off futuristic proportions. A stance that looks more Scandinavian concept car than budget commuter. This thing looks like the future of urban mobility distilled into one tight package. But design is easy. The real challenge starts when city traffic turns brutal. So we push the EV3 through crowded downtown streets, narrow European alleyways, aggressive stop-and-go traffic, and tight multi-story parking structures to see if Kia's smallest EV can actually survive real-world chaos better than the hatchbacks we've trusted for decades. And immediately, one thing stands out. Visibility. The elevated crossover seating position gives you a commanding view without making the car feel oversized. Pair that with the ridiculously tight turning radius, and suddenly this thing slips through urban traffic like it was engineered specifically for cities like London, Amsterdam, Paris, or Los Angeles. But the bigger surprise? Efficiency. Because under this compact body sits a high-density battery architecture that completely changes the conversation around affordable EVs. We monitored real-world consumption during heavy traffic, highway transitions, and aggressive acceleration pulls, and the EV3 consistently delivered the kind of efficiency numbers that make traditional gasoline hatchbacks start looking ancient. And unlike older compact EVs, the cabin doesn't feel like a penalty box. The flat floor design creates an interior that feels shockingly open. Minimalist displays. Clean ambient lighting. Smart storage everywhere. It's premium without pretending to be luxurious. Functional without feeling boring. That balance matters. Because modern buyers don't just want transportation anymore. They want technology, practicality, efficiency, and design all inside something compact enough to survive modern cities. And this is where the EV3 becomes dangerous for the entire hatchback segment. For decades, hatchbacks dominated urban mobility because they were cheap, practical, lightweight, and easy to park. But the EV3 delivers all of that while adding elevated visibility, futuristic software, instant electric torque, and crossover versatility. That's a massive shift. Now sure, enthusiasts will still miss the low-slung feeling of classic hot hatches. And no, this won't replace a true performance car emotionally. But as an everyday urban machine, the EV3 might genuinely represent the next evolutionary step. Not oversized. Not overcomplicated. Not outrageously expensive. Just smart. And after spending real time pushing this compact crossover through real-world conditions, one thing becomes very clear. The future of city driving may not belong to hatchbacks anymore. It might belong to compact EV crossovers exactly like this.